Okay, so we are on YouTube's homepage. If you are already signed into your email on the same browser, instead of saying sign in, it will show your initial. I'm just going to sign into an account here. I'm going to choose this one. And here, if you're signing in, it's just your Gmail password because YouTube is a Google app. So now on the upper right corner, you'll see your initial or your picture. If you have a picture, you click on that. If you do not have a YouTube channel yet, it will say create your channel here instead of your channel. And it's a very simple process. You just follow the prompts, okay, and then come back. So I'm going to click on my channel, and because I have a video, it shows here. If you haven't uploaded any videos, it will say, you'll have an icon there that says upload your first video. But once you have videos, this is what you'll see. And then if you want to upload anything, you have to come to YouTube Studio, upper right corner, just click on that. And now again, upper right corner on this arrow here, and just upload video. Okay, and you'll select your file or just drop it. I'm going to select this one.
Oh, okay.
And it will immediately start uploading. And that sound you heard was from my file. Okay, and while it's uploading, you can start adding details. Just add a title. And then here you need to select, yes, it's made for kids. Click next. You can ignore this, just click next, and now save or publish, make it public over here and publish. And that's it, you've uploaded a video. Now, if you want to upload long videos, anything longer than 15 minutes, I think you have to verify your account, but it's very simple. So if you're trying to upload the video, it will say you can't do it. You need to verify your account. And all you need to do is, they'll email you or text you a code, and you have to send it back to them, and it's quick and easy. So you can do that. Okay, so that's how you upload your videos.